In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your Bitmoji's gender on Snapchat. Whether you want to give your Bitmoji a new look or switch up its gender, I've got you covered with this simple step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile picture or Bitmoji in the upper left corner of the screen to head to your profile. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. From here, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option that says Bitmoji. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a few options related to your Bitmoji. What you want to do is select Unlink My Bitmoji. Snapchat will ask you to confirm if you really want to unlink it. Just tap Remove. Once your Bitmoji is unlinked, you can create a brand new one from scratch. To do this, click on Create My Avatar. This is where the magic happens. You'll be asked to choose your Bitmoji's gender. After choosing the gender, you'll have access to all the customization options to change the look of your new Bitmoji, everything from hairstyle to outfits, face shape, and more. Take your time and make sure your Bitmoji looks just how you want it. When you're happy with the new look, tap on the Save button located in the upper right corner, and that's it. Your updated Bitmoji, with a new gender and style, will now be visible in your Snapchat profile and chats. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.